Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. Welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering and living a simpler life with less. So when you live in a smaller space, every inch counts, and so does every little detail that your eye will actually land on. And that includes clutter, because even a little bit of clutter can magnify itself in a small space. So your family room should feel like a space to relax and recharge, not a clutter trap. So today's 5 tips are going to be quick and easy visual tricks that deliver a big return in a small space. My first tip today is leave some white space. So this is a big challenge for many people because you want to cover every single area, but in a small space, too much art, too many collections, all of that makes it feel busy, closed in, and sometimes even claustrophobic. So if you try this, not every wall or bookshelf has to be filled. Try leaving 1 or 2 walls blank. No artwork, no decorative objects, just white space. And try it out, see how it feels. That negative space is actually, in and of itself, it's a design statement. And my second tip today is uncrowd the coffee tables and the end tables. So right now, if you're at home, look at the coffee table and the end tables in your family room. What do you see? Books, magazines, remotes, coasters, all kinds of stuff. So remove all those things in that area right now if you can, and put back only the 2 or 3 very functional items, and maybe one really pretty item that just makes you happy, and things that you will use. That cleared off surface gives an illusion of a larger room, and it definitely feels much calmer. And the third tip is high-tech clutter. So the challenge here is that remotes, cords, game controllers, they don't add any beauty at all, but they do add stress. So if you try this, just use a pretty box or a pretty basket to house those items. Keep them out of sight, but definitely within reach when you need them. So these little boxes or baskets are great tools to hide unsightly but necessary items. And my fourth tip today is multifunctional furniture. So I love this one because I have quite a bit of multifunctional furniture in my own smaller home. So one of the challenges is things like extra throws or extra pillows. They make your space feel and look messy, even though they might be wanted or needed, particularly in the colder months. So strategically store the extra blankets, the pillows, in a storage ottoman or a cocktail table storage unit. So out of sight, out of mind, but it's there when and if you need it. And my last tip today is pare down furniture. So the challenge is too much furniture makes a room look smaller and feel cluttered and overcrowded. So look at your room carefully and remove any unnecessary benches, tables, ottomans, furniture that is taking up room in that smaller space. It will improve your traffic flow and also create a more spacious feel. So small space living doesn't have to feel crowded. With just a few thoughtful tweaks here and there, you can create a family room that looks and feels spacious, stylish, and also serene. So if you want more simple strategies to style up your space, my room by room checklist workbook, it's only $1.99. It's perfect for making every room work smarter and feel lighter. And you can see that in the link in the description. So if this helped refresh your space, give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with a family or friends who embrace small living also. And so until the next time, just keep it simple.